Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language on Shein app. So first of all, launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Initially, you'll play to the shop interface. So if you want to change the language, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access your settings. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. What you have to do is find this option for language and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various languages over here. You can also follow the phone system and select the language that is selected in your device itself. Or you can also tap on any of these languages listed over here. Now once you do that, you can see over here the Shein application will reload. Now after you do that, the language in the Shein application will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the language. So that is how you change language on Shein app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.